Well, you're just in time for the latest from the world of business, and my name is Abi Agina. Members of Parliament have told the National Irrigation Board and Israeli firm Green Arava to resolve their differences by the end of this month. Well, the two sides are feuding over repair works after River Galana changed its course and diverted water away from the farm. Green Arava said repair works would cost 700 million shillings, a figure NIB refuted and went ahead to do the repairs at a cost of 38 million shillings. This comes even as NIB takes over the maize model farm of about 1,500 acres. Green Arava are now waiting for a resolution from a committee constituted by the Ministry of Agriculture to resolve the stalemate.
A dispute between the contractor and the employer, which is NIB. The resolutions of how to resolve the outstanding issue is ongoing, and it's our belief that within the next 1 month we will be able to sort out the issues outstanding from this project, so that eventually we are able to resolve amicably to the best interest of this country also.
It's too early for somebody to begin to talk about, value, because this is a project that has just started, just like any other startups.